All right, since we continue to track the double whammy in the national capital, let's tell you the big news on that front, where the water crisis clearly continues and residents toil for water amid heat wave. Now, the capital crisis clearly of the water shortage. Now, what is that looking like? My colleague Nikhil gets us more on it.
Well, clearly, and there is no solution which has been provided so far by either of the political party. And Delhi have already given 7 of the member of parliament to the Bharatiya Janata Party in the Lok Sabha election. And the best solution which they have to offer during the time of the crisis is to hit the ground and to start protesting. And today as well, in series of the same, there is another protest which is going to be seen from the side of the leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, where the Member of Parliament and the MLAs, they too are coming on the ground zero to inform people about the mismanagement, so to say, which is currently into the play by the Aam Aadmi Party-led Delhi government. The BJP for so long, Delhi unit, have been alleging that this is the artificial crisis which has been created by Atishi, and there is no scarcity as far as the water is concerned in the capital cities. It is only the non-maintenance, non-repairing work and the mismanagement which is causing the acute water shortage in parts of the capital city. So today again we are going to see Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva and a few other MPs as well, who are going to come on the ground zero. But there is no solution which has been provided, as mentioned earlier, from either of the political party, be it the principal opposition, who have been received with 7 members of parliament, a huge responsibility in context to the Lok Sabha. On the other side, the Aam Aadmi Party is also feeling helpless, and all they have to offer is to blame the Haryana government and all the central government officers regarding the same. But what we can expect is that with the official arrival of the monsoon in Delhi, then only we can expect a major relief in that sense. Until that time, there is no respite which is going to come, because yesterday as well there was this crucial meeting which took place in Chandigarh, where the senior officials from the water department from Delhi had a meeting with the senior officers of the Haryana government, and they requested yet again to provide additional share on the humanitarian ground. But that was also a request which was rejected by the Haryana government officials.
विशुद्ध रूप से दिल्ली सरकार इस विषय पर राजनीति कर रही है। दिल्ली में पानी का संकट कोई साल आया नहीं। 10 सालों में लगातार दिल्ली में गर्मियों में हर साल पानी का संकट आया है। तो मैं सवाल पूछना चाहता हूं दिल्ली की सरकार से कि पिछले 10 सालों में उन्होंने इस संकट के समाधान के लिए कौन से सार्थक कदम उठाए? कोई कदम नहीं उठाए। हर साल जब भी इस तरीके की समस्या होगी, वो आरोप की राजनीति शुरू करते हैं और आरोप की राजनीति पर ही समस्या को खत्म कर देते हैं। तो कहीं ना कहीं इस बात को समझना होगा कि केजरीवाल सरकार की कोई दिलचस्पी इस समस्या के समाधान में नहीं है। वो केवल आरोप लगाना चाहते हैं। पिछले सालों में वो हरियाणा के साथ पंजाब पर भी आरोप लगाते थे। अब पंजाब पर आरोप नहीं लगा रहे, क्योंकि पंजाब में खुद उनकी पार्टी की सरकार है, तो वो ठीकरा हरियाणा पर फोड़ना चाहते हैं। अगर हरियाणा ने वास्तव में पानी रोका होता तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जब केजरीवाल और उनकी सरकार गई थी, तब सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने टिप्पणी क्यों नहीं करी? सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि अतिरिक्त पानी चाहिए तो बोर्ड के पास में जाओ। वो बोर्ड के पास में नहीं जा रहे हैं, वो हरियाणा के खिलाफ राजनीति कर रहे हैं, वो केंद्र सरकार के खिलाफ राजनीति कर रहे हैं। तो सबसे बड़ा सवाल यहाँ ये उठता है कि राजनीति करना बड़ी बात है या दिल्ली के लोगों को पानी की सुविधा को मुहैया कराना बड़ी बात है?